Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Before you say anything, I misspelled banana in my test version. I made a video on this on banana, but I don't think I've ever done it exactly like this. So we're going to envelope the banana into this shape and make it look pretty cool. So what you need to do, I'm going to take this banana and I am going to get a rectangle tool, and I'm going to get the Smart Fill tool. I'm going to fill that in, and what that did, I'm going to change my nudge factor to like 10 inches. And I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool, and I have that shape. Now I'm also going to take the Smart Fill tool and fill in that shape. So I have that shape. Now I'm going to left click, right click. Now we need to make our banana envelope. And you can't get too far up in the banana for this without distorting the word. So we're going to try to go like right there, and we're going to put a 3-point curve line, and then go from right there and put a 3-point curve line. If you go too far, you're going to distort letters. Now take the Smart Fill tool and fill that shape in. I'm going to nudge it up. I'm going to left click, right click, and normally I put a contour on stuff like that, but I'm not going to in this case. And each time I have nudged and I have not moved anything. So I'm going to take my banana and go to Effects and Envelope, and I'm going to go right here to Create Envelope Form, and see it distorted a little bit. So let's try this. Let's take another 3-point curve line, and let's just get away from that curve a little bit more. Take the Smart Fill tool, move that in, left click, right click, get the word banana, and do the same thing, and it looks a lot better. Now, I'm not moving anything, but I'm going to hold down the shift, and I'm going to go EC, and I put it inside my shape. You know what? I'm going to make that word bold. It'll look a lot better. I think it'll look a lot better. So shift select the other shape, EC. That's going to put it in our shape. I'm going to try to just grab the frame, and now I can take this thing and put it right in our banana. Let me delete this other stuff so it won't distract you. Now, 2 trains, well, I need this shape right here in just a second. So what I'm going to do now, I don't need the red box around it. And this is why I nudge and do not move. So I am going to select them both, and I'm going to go to intersect. And what that did, that created a banana word. But then I'm going to take the real word, and then I'm going to put this back. I'm going to select it all, and I'm going to go back minus front. And that took away that space. And there you go. That looks pretty cool. Now, put it on a black background, and look at that, or even a blue one. Black's probably the best. That's a pretty cool graphic. Anyway, hope that helped someone a little bit. Thank you for watching.